Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? That is an inquiry that many individuals are posing to themselves as this new cryptographic money in a real sense begins to acquire consideration. In this video, we've accumulated an examination of the Dogelon Mars cost expectation. We will likewise for the most part talk about the specialized elements of this coin and tell you the best way to get it. We should go, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogelon Mars costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogelon Mars will especially be $0. The by and large greatest level that the ELON cost can reach truly is $0. The really normal exchanging cost most certainly is normal around $0. ELON value gauge for January 2023. In view of the value changes of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the truly normal ELON pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and really most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually, which basically is genuinely huge. February 2023. Dogelon Mars Value Gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the ELON cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it especially is normal that the worth of Dogelon Mars may be around $0. ELON value figure for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners in every practical sense have actually taken a look at the value changes of Dogelon Mars in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ELON rate they anticipate may be around $0 WALC 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0, or so they in a real sense thought. April 2023. Dogelon Mars value figure around mid-year 2022. The ELON cost will truly be exchanged at $0, as opposed to mainstream thinking. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogelon Mars worth to $0. It in a real sense is expected that the cost won't drop reasonably lower than $0. April 2023. ELON value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Dogelon Mars costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The most minimal and top ELON rates may be $0. June 2023. Dogelon Mars value gauge crypto examiners in a real sense expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ELON cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the Dogelon Mars cost might drop to a really least of $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023 in a significant way. ELON value estimate for July 2023. Having examined Dogelon Mars costs, digital money specialists expect that the ELON rate could arrive at a by and large limit of $0 July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0. For July 2023, the determined normal of Dogelon Mars is almost $0 a quite large manner. August 2023. Dogelon Mars value estimate around mid-2022. The Dogelon Mars cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the ELON cost could sort of vacillate somewhere in the range of $0. ELON value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Dogelon Mars worth won't dip under at least $0. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month explicitly is $0. The assessed really normal exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. October 2023. Dogelon Mars value gauge digital money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of ELON costs all through 2022 incredibly. For October 2023, their figure is the accompany. The greatest exchanging worth of Dogelon Mars will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. ELON value estimate for November 2023. In light of the value changes of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ELON pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and certainly most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. December 2023. Dogelon Mars value estimate cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the ELON cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it basically is normal that the worth of Dogelon Mars could really be around $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogelon Mars in earlier years, it is expected that in 2024, the base cost of Dogelon Mars will be around $0. The greatest expected ELON cost may basically be around $0. Overall, the exchanging cost could for the most part be $0 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Dogelon Mars in 2025, ELON is supposed to have the accompanying least and extremely greatest costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost by and large is $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Dogelon Mars and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the really least ELON cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will for the most part be around $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Dogelon Mars by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ELON costs are normal in 2027, $0. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists for the most part are continually breaking down the vacillations of Dogelon Mars. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical ELON cost will in every practical sense be around $0. It could drop to at least $0, yet it actually could reach $0 through 2028. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan estimates at the cost of Dogelon Mars. It is assessed that ELON will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2029. Its typical expense in every practical sense is normal at around $0 the year. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. Digital currency experts are for the most part prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2030 will not entirely set in stone by the most extreme ELON cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost is $0, which essentially is very huge. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of examination of the Dogelon Mars cost, crypto specialists are prepared to generally give their ELON cost assessment to 2031, which explicitly is very critical. It will be exchanged for something like $0, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $0. By and large, you can anticipate that the ELON cost should be around $0 2031 in a significant manner. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2032. Cryptographic money examiners are for the most part prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2032 not entirely settled by the greatest ELON cost of $0 a significant manner. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Will Dogelon Mars generally get more expensive? In opposition to prevalent thinking, it is hard to foresee the future cost of any digital currency. However, Dogelon Mars has a ton of likely in a significant manner. It fundamentally is presently exchanging at $0. Will Dogelon Mars go to Coinbase, which is very critical? This isn't known right now in a significant manner. Coinbase for the most part has not recorded Dogelon Mars on their trade at this point. As Dogelon Mars coin a wise speculation, which is very huge, digital currencies are extremely unpredictable and costs can really go up or down quickly, which is genuine.